Hi everyone, I'm Holly Call, the owner of Anywhere Car Wash. Our business concept is quite unique. We're bringing the convenience of DoorDash and Amazon Fresh to the car wash industry. Customers call or message us online, set up an appointment, and we bring the car wash to them. What sets Anywhere Car Wash apart? Well, honestly, it comes down to convenience, first off, which is what everyone seems to be looking for these days. We are more convenient for our customers. We offer both a regular car wash or car detailing. There's low overhead costs. This is the big difference between us and a traditional car wash. As far as profits, the lower overhead equals greater profits. There's no rent and no expensive equipment for running our business. What was successful with our venture so far is customers have given us great feedback. They love the convenience of having the car wash come to them. It doesn't matter whether they're at work or at home, we are bringing the car wash to them, and they have loved that. Another success is just like we expected, we've had low overhead costs. So far, the only cost that we have incurred was $11.49 for the materials needed in order to wash the cars. And we've already recovered those invested funds, which is a great way to start off a business. If I could change a few things up and if I were to continue going forward, what I would do differently is first off, I would hire a couple employees. My situation is I am typically a stay-at-home mom, and so this has limited the number of hours that I'm able to work doing car washes, which has limited the amount of money that we've been able to bring in. What I would do is I would hire employees and pay them $9 per job. They should be able to get a job done in less than an hour. Plus, I found that my customers tend to tip, so they would be able to make the tips on top of it. The other thing that I would love to change is we had a major impact of COVID-19. Because of that, we have quit running currently until it's safe to go out and about again. Anyways, let's move on to kind of the financial aspect because I know that's what all investors really care about. This is our income statement for the quarter ending just March 31st. So far, we've had a revenue of $50. That's based off 2 car washes. They were $20 car washes with $5 tips each. Our supplies were $11.49 for our costs. That leaves us with a net income of $38.51, which is a great start off. We've already recovered and made a profit. Going forward, because this is what we're really interested in, is we're going to look forward to doing about 5 jobs per day, 6 days a week. This is where we're going to get into hiring employees so that we can expand and do that. Now, this is going to cut down a little bit on what we're making per job as far as profit. You can see over here, I've got kind of the breakdown for expenses and revenue per car wash. It's going to be $9 for labor. $1.15 is approximately what the materials are going to cost. And that leaves us with a profit of $9.85 for each car wash. If we're doing 5 car washes a day, 6 days a week, which I feel will be very manageable as we get up and going, we're expecting to hit a $15,000 366 profit for this first year. Our supplies are only going to run us $1,794, and our labor is going to run about $14,000. That's the high end, but we're doing a little bit higher on labor than we necessarily would have to, just because we do want quality employees. So we're paying a little bit of a minimum wage, plus they can expect tips, just like an Uber driver or DoorDash would expect tips because they are bringing the service to the customer. So honestly, why invest? You guys are already have a great opportunity. We are making a profit and you can get in on the ground floor of a new service. I mean, if you could go back to DoorDash, Uber, any of these new and upcoming businesses that have grown so fast, wouldn't you jump in? Well, here's your chance. Thank you for your time.